We, as members of the Orange Democratic Movement, in particular myself, James Ongwae, former Governor Kisii County, and Janet Ong'era, Deputy Party Chairperson of ODM, have today decided conscientiously to resign from the ODM party with immediate effect. It has been an honor serving in ODM. We regret nothing, but we move to the next phase with a clear mind on how better as a country we can manage our political affairs before and after elections. We have today arrived at this decision having carefully taken stock of the activities preceding the last general election, and more so the ill manner in which the party treated us and our supporters through political patronage by individuals who never had the interest of our community, especially the Gusii community at heart.
I don't regret having been in ODM. We have grown in it, but it's now time for us to exit. And I resign as the Deputy National Chairperson and also as a member of ODM. We feel very sad that our party no longer meets the aspirations in which we founded it.